What you're looking at is the Skywalk. They say it can hold 71 747s fully loaded. I don't know where to get that statistic from, but anyhow. And here's the rest of the Grand Canyon.
Pero ne ci sono
What's here?
não para. Então, se eu guarda que são dois